So the impetus for the cookbook was really to add a functional tool to the On to Life program. The On to Life program stands for Optimizing Nutrition to Life, and what we're trying to do is basically bring healthy food habits and nutritional habits to pediatric cancer patients, to survivors, as well as to the general community. And so when we went and started talking to people about what they would like to see in terms of usable tools, what we heard from families and from survivors was that they really wanted practical guidance on what they should be eating.
So we held a couple of recipe contests, one with the staff and one with patients and families. And so we were able to probably get almost about 100 recipes just for our cookbook from our own families and stuff, so that was good.
And so one of the challenges with the recipes that we collected is not all of them have the exact sorts of ingredients that we necessarily want to promote. So we've been very fortunate in having some folks that are experts in cooking recipes and modifying recipes, helping us test and make these recipes as healthy as possible for different endpoints. We also envision this as being a useful tool for patients that are undergoing chemotherapy. So on the e-cookbook, we have a tab where you can search by symptoms. So for example, if you're experiencing GI issues or mouth sores, you can actually search by those tabs and you'll pull up recipes that will be more soothing or help with some of those symptoms.
We do have a lot of variety of recipes. We have them on all separate categories, and you can actually, on the website, you can actually change ingredients if you want to cut back on some calories, cut back on some ingredients. You can edit and delete certain recipes. So all of the recipes can do that.
This e-cookbook is going to be called At the Table with the @ sign, and it's going to be housed on the Children's Cancer Hospital website within MD Anderson's website. So we're excited about demonstrating to the general public through these recipes that MD Anderson and the Children's Cancer Hospital want to promote good health and healthy eating, because these are cancer prevention techniques.